हेलो बच्चों, स्वागत है आपका हमारे चैनल लर्निंग रॉक्स में। बच्चों, आज मैं लेकर आई हूँ क्लास 7 की इंग्लिश की वर्कबुक का यूनिट 10 का लेसन 10। लेसन का नाम है द स्टोरी ऑफ क्रिकेट। बच्चों, यदि आप मेरे चैनल में नए हैं तो चैनल को लाइक करें, शेयर करें, सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें और बेल आइकन जरूर प्रेस करें ताकि आने वाली सभी वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिल सके और वीडियो को अंत तक जरूर देखें। आइए वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं। यूनिट 10 लेसन द स्टोरी ऑफ क्रिकेट कॉम्प्रिहेंशन। ए, रीड द फॉलोइंग क्रिकेट स्कोर बोर्ड एंड आंसर द क्वेश्चंस। ये हमें एक क्रिकेट स्कोर बोर्ड दिया हुआ है और इसी से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस दिए हुए हैं जिसके हमने आंसर लिखने हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, आर these scores of a test match or one day international? Answer, these scores are of one day international. Second question, what were the scores of Australia and New Zealand respectively in the 25th over? Answer, the scores of Australia 106/4 and New Zealand 136/2. Third question, which team was faster in making runs between 30th to 35th over? Answer, Australia was faster in making runs between 30th to 35th over. Fourth question, between which overs did Australia score fastest? Answer, between 30th to 35th over Australia score fastest. Fifth question, between which overs was New Zealand performance not good? Answer, between 25th to 30th overs. Sixth question, which team won the match? Answer, New Zealand won the match. Working with language. Vocabulary. A, complete the following words related to cricket. तो यहाँ फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स दिए हुए थे जो मैंने फिल किए हैं। तो यहाँ पर था CRICKET क्रिकेट, सेकंड ओवर, थर्ड टॉस, फोर स्कोर, 5 bails, 6 off stump, 7 stumps, 8 pitch, 9 umpire, 10 boundary. B, complete the following sentences by using the antonymous opposite words of the words given in the bracket. First, she put the glass on the dash of the table. तो बॉटम में ऑपोजिट क्या आएगा? टॉप, टॉप ऑफ द टेबल. सेकंड, द श्रीलंकन टीम सफर्ड अ लॉस एट द हैंड्स ऑफ द इंडियन टीम. वन का ऑपोजिट क्या आएगा? लॉस. थर्ड, सुमन वॉज वेरी हैप्पी व्हेन द इंटरव्यू कमेटी एक्सेप्टेड हर एप्लीकेशन. यहाँ था रिजेक्टेड, ऑपोजिट एक्सेप्टेड. Fourth, the problem of air pollution is global in nature, local, global. Fifth, metals expand when they are placed in hot water, shrink, expand. Sixth, the letter Y is second form, last in English alphabet, first, last. 7, don't forget to lock the door before leaving. Remember, forget. 8, it is unfortunate that most people don't realize the importance of respecting their elders. Fortunate, unfortunate. 9, cities are unpopular for their increasing pollution. Popular, unpopular. 10, although her face is unremarkable, but her voice leaves a lasting impression. Remarkable. Grammar. A, joining sentences using though, because, and, but, and that Look at the following complex sentence from the lesson. The word bat is an old English word that simply means stick or club. Here, two separate sentences. The word bat is an old English word and it simply means stick or club. Is made into one sentence by introducing the word that. That is a joining word. हमने दो सेंटेंसेस को जो ये हमें वर्ड्स दे रखे हैं उसके साथ ज्वाइन करना है. Now join the following pairs of sentences with suitable joining words. जो ये words हैं हमने suitable जो हमारे joining words हैं वो हमने यहाँ पर join करने हैं दो sentences के अंदर. First, test match can go on for 5 days. Full stop. It can end in a draw. Answer. Test match can go on for 5 days, but तो यहाँ आएगा but it can end in a draw. Second, I cannot go to the market. It is raining. Answer. I cannot go to the market because it is raining. Third, the stumps must be 22 inches high. The balls across them are 6 inches. Answer. The stumps must be 22 inches high as the bales across them are 6 inches. ये है bales. Fourth, there is no doubt the earth is round. Answer. There is no doubt that the earth is round. Fifth, the length of the pitch is 22 yards. The size and shape of the ground is not specified. Answer. The length of pitch is 22 yards but the size and shape of the ground is not satisfied. 6. He could not pass, he tried often. Answer. He could not pass though he tried often. 7. He sells mangoes, he sells oranges. Answer. He sells mangoes and oranges. 8. The park was unfit for cricket. Full stop. The polo ponies had dug up the surface. Answer. The park was unfit for cricket as the polo ponies had dug up the surface. Ninth question. The conductor shouted he had gone mad. Answer. The conductor shouted because he had gone mad. 10th. The girl is clever, the boy is dull. Answer. The girl is clever but that boy is dull. B. Read the following sentences. First, kick the ball as hard as you can. Second, we all the invited for a ball in the club. तो बॉल है, इसके sentences दोनों का meaning अलग अलग है. The word ball has different meaning in the second sentence. जो second sentence दिया है first sentence से बिल्कुल अलग है. In sentence 1, ball means a round object that we play with as in cricket. In sentence 2, it refers to a formal party. इसी से रिलेटेड हमारे पास वर्ड्स हैं जो हमने यूज़ करने हैं. नाउ यूज़ द फॉलोइंग वर्ड्स इन द सेम वे. हमने इन्हें इसी तरह से लिखना है. फर्स्ट, ड्रा. शी लव्स टू ड्रा पोर्ट्रेट्स. सेकंड, द हॉर्सेस ड्रा द कैरेज. सेकंड, ओवर. द गेम इज ओवर. सेकंड, द हेलीकॉप्टर फ्लू ओवर द स्टेडियम. Third, pitch. First, the players run on the pitch for the second half. Second, the roof has a very steep pitch to let snow slide off. Fourth, club. First, the nightclub was the most popular club in the city. Second, she drew the egg of clubs from the deck. DREW. Fifth, swing. First, the children played on the swing. Second, his mood can swing suddenly. Sixth, match. I watched the cricket match yesterday. Second, he lit a candle with the match. Dictionary practice. Look up the following words and write down the different meanings that they have. क्लब मैच ओवर पिच ड्रा, तो ये इसी में से रिलेटेड है, इसी में से ढूंढ के आपने लिख लेने हैं। ये आप अपने खुद से आपने करना है ये वाला। Speaking and writing. Writing composition. Your school had organized a cricket match in an international competition on 25th January. Write a passage describing the match by using words given in the box below. बच्चों ये लास्ट में हमें हिंट दिया हुआ है, हेल्प बॉक्स हमें, इसी से हमने रिलेटेड हमने पूरा पैराग्राफ बनाना है और ये वर्ड्स यूज़ करने हैं। Our school organized a cricket match in an inter-school competition on 25th January. The captain won the toss and decided to start batting. Our players played very well and scored many runs. One of our batsmen hit several sixes and completed a brilliant century. The opposing team then came in to bat, but our bowling attack was excellent. Our fast bowler took a hat trick while the spinner troubled the batsman with his skill. One batsman was declared out leg before wicket, another was bowled, and a spectacular catch was taken near the boundary. In the end, our team scored a memorable win while the other team suffered a loss. We proudly received the trophy and our star batsman was declared the man of the match. तो बच्चों ये थे यूनिट 10 के हमारे क्वेश्चन आंसर जो हमने इस वीडियो में सॉल्व किए हैं। बच्चों यदि आपको ये वीडियो यूज़फुल लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें, सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें। धन्यवाद।